Welcome to our video on Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. We'll explore how these addresses are structured to identify devices within a network, ensuring efficient communication and connectivity. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit numbers divided into 4 octets, like 192.168.1.1. This structure uses dotted decimal notation, making it easier for humans to read and understand. Each IPv4 address is split into network and host parts. Subnet masking is crucial in IPv4 addressing. It isolates the network and host portions with classes A, B, and C defining different address ranges and purposes, like 192.168, 1.1/24. In conclusion, IPv4 addresses provide a structured format for device identification. This system supports efficient network communication, ensuring devices are correctly recognized and connected. Thank you for watching.